In this video clip, we'll learn the mode, a measure of central tendency of a set of data, either sample or population. The mode is the value that occurs most often. The mode is not affected by outliers. It can be used for either numerical or categorical data. Unlike the mean or the median, there may be no mode. That occurs in a special case where all records are with the same value. Like here, there may be several modes. For example, here, if we have one more 5, then we have both 5 and 9 modes. In this example, only 9 is the mode. Now we see how to find mode or multiple modes in a set of data in Excel. Here we see data A first. Here we have only one mode. We can see that is 3. If we know there is only a single mode, we can use Excel formula mode single. Okay, the formula is this. If there are multiple modes and we use mode single, we will find the smallest mode. For example, here, we can see here we have 2 and 3, both modes. If we use mode single, then we will only find 2. You see? You can see the formula here. Okay? In general, when we don't know how many modes are there, if we have a fairly large set of data, that will be the case. Then we can use mode multiple and give Excel a relatively large space to put the modes in. So here, let's select these 4 cells altogether. Then directly type equal. Okay, you see, here we typed equal only in the first cell while keeping the cells selected. Mode multiple and select B2 through B6. Then be careful. Hold Control plus Shift, 2 keys, Control plus Shift. Then type Enter. This is an array output. So now we find 2 modes, 2 and 3, and no others. These 2 values are here because we used more space. To be safe, we can always try to use more space. More is better than less. Okay. In the third example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have no mode. We can still try to use mode multiple. You see, we don't find any mode. Okay, so here you can see the formula. Let me show you. Here we used array output, a special type of functions in Excel. be careful. You can do some practice to learn the process, especially how to use mode multiple here.